There's a very successful product installed in this switchgear cabinet from Rittal, this filter fan, the result of many years of cooperation between Rittal and ebm-papst. Filter fans cool the electronics in the switchgear cabinet, helping to prevent premature failure of temperature-sensitive components. The fans are composed of a fan and a dust filter that prevents dirt particles from getting into the cabinet. It took a long time to bring the filter fan to market, nearly 2 years. A chance encounter with a developer from Rittal at a trade fair was the cue for ebm-papst that we need to do something new. For us, that was the starting point, where we began to ask ourselves what's actually the right aerodynamic concept. The result was diagonal fans, which was a surprise, since the market standard for filter fans was the conventional axial fan. Axial fans are not really ideal for this application because the maximum back pressure that they can deliver is limited by the stall area at the saddle point. The problem was recognized and there was a significant aerodynamic improvement, the diagonal fan. The crucial technical approach to optimize the product for the market. Besides the aerodynamic optimization, the handling and the mechanical construction of the system were also improved. Things we've developed with ebm-papst include the change in direction of airflow. You can take this fan, which by the way is a diagonal fan, and replace it easily and change the direction of airflow or reposition the electrical connection so it's where you want it. Besides that, the fan is easy to install without tools. Replacing the filter is also very easy. Now the filter fan has become a bestseller. The filter fans are the top-selling air conditioning product from Rittal and enjoy broad acceptance on the market. And since 2011, the new features have really been unbeatable on the market. But the success wouldn't have been possible without close cooperation between Rittal and ebm-papst, as well as their joint product development. Thanks to this personal contact, we were able to understand what's actually important to customers. And I think for this user, for this customer, we've been able to develop a valuable product. That's exactly how the people at Rittal see it. Of course, it's important to us to have someone at our side who works with us to implement ideas, who's able to think innovatively, who contributes innovations to us in development. But you can't rest on the laurels of success. For us, any let-up means a step backwards. That means our goal is always to develop innovations with a partner that are efficient and especially also make economic sense. And so we can expect more good news from the cooperation between two successful companies in future.